Hey, happy client check-in day from St. George. I love that I can just do my business from wherever, but I would love to do some quick check-ins today. So give me a 5-minute call. And one of the things that I wanted to say was a happy new year. It is 2024, and we are able to really put in to, like, it's just culturally the thing to do is to set some goals for this year. And I have a free guide that I had done a 6-day challenge, and there are amazing resources in there, such as the structural tension chart. There's different goal areas that you can set goals in and some guidance. There's short 3-minute videos. So I just wanted to give that gift to you as my client, which is great. And then I also wanted to just kind of have you give me some feedback. Some typical questions I ask clients, like, what are your wins? What are you working on? What are your goals for the 2024? Where are you in the life book? And remember, our program, it's not the 5-in-1, and not all my clients are on the 5-in-1. It is literally a program that is encompassing all 4 components because they've studied it and they have third-party blind studies. Clients who talk to their coach weekly lose twice as much weight. And it's because you're accountable to yourself, and I witnessed that. Second is engaging yourself into the community. I used to always say it's so easy not to, but I'm telling you, it makes the biggest difference. 3, education. Are you reading the life book every day? Because if we don't change some of the underlying beliefs that we have when it comes to food or a relationship with ourselves, or above and below the line, are we working on our goals below the line like we're not enough? It won't ever work out for us. And then 4th, having a simple specified nutrition plan that is intentional and that you have clarity on. So there's those things that I wanted to share with you today, and give me a quick call and we'll get that going. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Call me before 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time if you can. So thanks. Take care. I'd love to hear from you.